Flat rate pricing offers several benefits for electrical services. Firstly, it provides consistent pricing, ensuring customers know the exact cost of services before work begins, which eliminates surprises and builds trust. Secondly, it increases efficiency, allowing electricians to quickly quote prices and schedule appointments without having to visit the site first. Thirdly, it reduces overhead by eliminating the need for detailed time tracking and billing, which reduces administrative costs. Finally, it improves customer satisfaction because customers appreciate the transparency and predictability of flat rate pricing. There are several systems for flat rate pricing. One system is fixed price books. These involve creating a comprehensive list of services with corresponding fixed prices. This is simple to implement but may not account for all scenarios. Another system is menu pricing, which offers a menu of pre-priced options that cover common electrical services. This provides flexibility while maintaining a level of standardization. Tiered pricing is another option, which establishes price tiers based on the complexity or scope of the work. This allows for customization to meet different customer needs. Software programs can also be utilized. These programs automate pricing, quoting, and scheduling for flat rate pricing, ensuring accuracy, efficiency, and consistency. Success with flat rate pricing hinges on several key factors. Thoroughly research industry standards and pricing models. Create a comprehensive pricing guide that is easily accessible to customers. Consider using software to automate pricing and billing processes. Be transparent about pricing and explain the value of your services. Continuously review and adjust pricing to reflect market changes and feedback. Contractors using flat rate pricing have reported positive experiences. Customers appreciate knowing the price upfront, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Streamlined quoting processes and improved profitability are also common outcomes. A combination of fixed price books and menu pricing can provide flexibility and transparency. Accurate pricing is essential and involves researching industry standards and benchmarking against competitors. Consider the following scenario involving a residential electrical service upgrade. A homeowner wants to upgrade their outdated electrical panel to accommodate modern appliances and ensure safety. With traditional hourly billing, the homeowner might be hesitant due to uncertainty about the final cost. However, with flat rate pricing, the electrical contractor offers a fixed price for the entire panel upgrade, including the new panel, wiring, circuit breakers, and labor. This fixed price eliminates surprises and provides the homeowner with peace of mind. The electrician can quickly assess the scope of the project and provide an accurate quote based on their experience and predetermined pricing for similar jobs. This saves time and eliminates the need for detailed time tracking. The flat rate price covers all aspects of the project, including materials, labor, and any unforeseen issues that may arise. This protects the homeowner from unexpected costs. The homeowner knows exactly what they are paying for and can budget accordingly. This transparency builds trust and fosters a positive customer relationship. Consider a commercial electrical service call for lighting repair. A business owner notices that several lights in their office are flickering or not working at all. They contact an electrical contractor for assistance. With flat rate pricing, the electrical contractor offers a fixed price for diagnosing and repairing the lighting issues. This fixed price includes the cost of replacing bulbs, ballasts, or wiring, as well as the labor involved. The business owner appreciates knowing the exact cost upfront, as it allows them to budget accordingly and avoid any unexpected expenses. The electrician can quickly assess the lighting system and determine the necessary repairs based on their experience and predetermined pricing. This saves time and minimizes disruption to the business. The flat rate price covers all aspects of the repair, including materials, labor, and any troubleshooting required. This ensures that the business owner is fully protected from additional costs. The business owner is satisfied with the prompt and efficient service, as well as the transparency and predictability of the pricing. Let's consider a new construction scenario where flat rate pricing is applied to electrical installations. A developer is building a new residential complex and needs to hire an electrical contractor to handle all the electrical installations. With flat rate pricing, the electrical contractor offers a fixed price for each unit in the complex, covering all the necessary wiring, outlets, switches, lighting fixtures, and circuit breakers. The developer benefits from the predictable costs and simplified budgeting process. The electrical contractor can efficiently manage the project by standardizing the installation process and leveraging economies of scale. The fixed price includes all materials, labor, and any unforeseen issues that may arise during construction. This protects the developer from unexpected cost overruns. The developer appreciates the transparency and reliability of the pricing, as it allows them to accurately forecast project expenses and ensure profitability. To implement flat rate pricing effectively, several steps should be followed. Firstly, conduct thorough market research. Analyze your local market and determine the average pricing for various electrical services. Consider factors such as the cost of materials, labor rates, and overhead expenses. Identify your target customer base and their specific needs and preferences. Secondly, develop a comprehensive pricing guide. Create a detailed list of all the electrical services you offer, along with corresponding fixed prices. Clearly define the scope of each service to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. Consider offering different pricing tiers based on the complexity or scope of the work. Thirdly, invest in technology. Utilize software programs to automate pricing, quoting, and scheduling. These programs can help you streamline your operations and improve accuracy and efficiency. Consider using mobile apps to provide on-site quotes and track job progress. Fourthly, train your team. Ensure that your electricians and staff are properly trained on the flat rate pricing system. Provide them with the necessary resources and tools to accurately quote prices and manage projects. Emphasize the importance of transparency in customer service. Fifthly, monitor and adjust your pricing. Regularly review your pricing guide to ensure that it reflects market changes and feedback. Track your profitability and adjust your prices accordingly. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new customers. The benefits of flat rate pricing are substantial. Firstly, increased transparency. Customers know the exact cost of services upfront, eliminating surprises and building trust. Secondly, improved efficiency. Electricians can quickly quote prices and schedule appointments without having to visit the site first. Thirdly, reduced overhead. Flat rate pricing eliminates the need for detailed time tracking and billing, which reduces administrative costs. Fourthly, enhanced customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate the predictability and transparency of flat rate pricing. Fifthly, increased profitability. Flat rate pricing can help you increase your profitability by streamlining your operations and reducing overhead expenses. Sixthly, competitive advantage. Offering flat rate pricing can help you stand out from the competition and attract new customers. Let's delve into the systems used for flat rate pricing in more detail. Firstly, fixed price books. These are simple and straightforward. Create a comprehensive list of services with corresponding fixed prices. Easy to implement, but may not account for all scenarios. Secondly, menu pricing. Offer a menu of pre-priced options that cover common electrical services. Provides flexibility while maintaining a level of standardization. Thirdly, tiered pricing. Establish price tiers based on the complexity or scope of the work. Allows for customization to meet different customer needs. Fourthly, software programs. Utilize dedicated software that automates price and quoting and scheduling. Ensures accuracy, efficiency, and consistency. Here are examples of scenarios where flat rate pricing proves advantageous. Firstly, residential service calls. A homeowner needs a new outlet installed. With flat rate pricing, they know the exact cost upfront. Secondly, commercial lighting repairs. A business needs several lights fixed. Flat rate pricing eliminates surprises and simplifies budgeting. Thirdly, new construction projects. A developer needs electrical work done in multiple units. Flat rate pricing provides predictable costs and streamlines the process. Tips for successfully implementing flat rate pricing include: firstly, thorough research. Research industry standards and pricing models. Secondly, comprehensive guide. Create a comprehensive pricing guide that is easily accessible. Thirdly, technology adoption. Consider using software to automate pricing and billing. Fourthly, pricing transparency. Be transparent about pricing and explain the value of your services. Fifthly, continuous review. Continuously review and adjust pricing to reflect market changes. Common challenges in flat rate pricing include: firstly, inaccurate pricing. Underestimating the time or materials required for a job. Secondly, unexpected issues. Encountering unforeseen problems that increase the scope of work. Thirdly, customer resistance. Some customers may prefer traditional hourly billing. Fourthly, market fluctuations. Changes in material costs or labor rates can impact profitability. Here is how to overcome these challenges. Firstly, accurate estimation. Carefully assess the scope of work and estimate costs accurately. Secondly, contingency planning. Build a contingency into your pricing to account for unexpected issues. Thirdly, customer education. Explain the benefits of flat rate pricing and address any concerns. Fourthly, regular adjustment. Regularly review and adjust your pricing to reflect market changes. Flat rate pricing models can be compared with traditional pricing models. Flat rate pricing offers predictable costs, increased transparency, and improved efficiency. Traditional hourly billing offers flexibility but can lead to uncertainty and unexpected expenses. Cost-plus pricing involves adding a markup to the cost of materials and labor. Value-based pricing is based on the perceived value of the services provided. Here's how to determine the right pricing strategy for your business. Consider your target customer base, the services you offer, and your business goals. Analyze your competitors' pricing strategies and identify opportunities to differentiate yourself. Experiment with different pricing models and track your results. Regularly review and adjust your pricing strategy to optimize profitability. Consider the legal and ethical considerations of flat rate pricing. Ensure that your pricing is fair and transparent. Avoid deceptive or misleading pricing practices. Comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Maintain accurate records of your pricing and billing practices. Resolve customer disputes fairly and efficiently. Finally, we consider the future of flat rate pricing. Flat rate pricing is likely to become even more popular in the electrical industry. Technology will play an increasingly important role in automating pricing and streamlining operations. Customers will continue to demand transparency and predictability in pricing. Electrical contractors who embrace flat rate pricing will be well positioned for success in the future. As technology evolves, we can expect to see more sophisticated software solutions that provide real-time pricing updates and automated quoting tools. These tools will enable electrical contractors to quickly and accurately price jobs, even in complex or dynamic environments. Furthermore, the rise of mobile technology will make it easier for electricians to provide on-site quotes and manage projects remotely. Customers will be able to receive instant estimates and track the progress of their jobs from their smartphones or tablets. The increasing demand for transparency and accountability will drive the adoption of flat-rate pricing models that provide customers with clear and predictable costs. Electrical contractors who prioritize transparency and customer service will be able to build trust and establish long-term relationships with their clients. The electrical industry will likely see a shift towards value-based pricing models that focus on the quality and value of the services provided, rather than just the cost of materials and labor. Electrical contractors who can demonstrate their expertise and provide exceptional service will be able to command premium prices and differentiate themselves from the competition. To stay ahead of the curve, electrical contractors should invest in technology, train their staff, and focus on providing exceptional customer service. They should also regularly review and adjust their pricing strategies to ensure that they remain competitive and profitable. By embracing flat rate pricing and adapting to the changing needs of the market, electrical contractors can position themselves for long-term success.